Hello, friends. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host, Sumbal Shazadi. How are you? Hope so you are doing well. Today, we all are celebrating Independence Day with 20 beautiful and patriotic flag cake designs. Let's get inspired by flag cake designs. The first one is classic flag sheet cake, large rectangular cake with perfect edible image or creamy piping of the flag. Simple, bold, and perfect for big gathering. The next is green velvet flag cake. A twist on red velvet. This green velvet cake is topped with creamy white icing and crescent star topper. Unique and delicious. The next is moon and star topper cake. Round white fondant cake with a big green crescent and star made of fondant, minimal and meaningful. The next is tied flag cake, three tied in green and white layer with miniature flag and rosette, a showstopper of centerpiece of your party cake table. The next is creamy green swirl cake, buttercream swirl in green shades, topped with flag pigs, fun and festive. The next is flag drip cake, white base with Ganch rip and crescent star accent, stylish and modern. The next is Happy Independence Day cake. Cake with the pipe Happy Independence or message. Add your heartfelt message in edible ink. The next is Kids Cartoon Cake Flag Cake. Cute cake with cartoon character holding flag. Perfect for school events loved by little ones. The next is Ombre green cake with star sprinkles. Layers of green fading from dark to light, with shiny edible stars, stored dreamy and elegant. The next is crescent shaped cake. Cake curved into a crescent moon shape covered in smooth green fondant, perfect for creative bakers. The next is mini flag cupcakes. Cupcakes with green and white frosting or any flag of your country toppers. Bite size pride. Green and white floral fillet cake. Cake decorated with green and white buttercream or any color of your country flag picks elegant and festive. The next is firework theme cake. Flag design cake with sugar framework firework bursting on top brings its celebration vibes. The next is Independence Day bento cake. Mini box cake with your date of independence and flag decoration of your country. Perfect for gifting friends and or neighbors. The next is traditional pattern flag cake. Cake featuring crack art or pattern along the side of flag symbol, a blend of culture and patriotism. The next is glitter crescent cake. Green cake with silver glitter crescent and star, super sparkly and elegant. Shines like freedom itself. The next is Independence cake with edible firework. Cake topped with sugar firework, edible confetti, and green white flags. A party in every slide. The next is round cake with green flag print. Printed edible image of your flag on the round cake with white frosting border. Clean and classy. Cake with your country map design. Cake featuring outline of your country with flag colors piped in buttercream. Geography meets love. The last one is watercolor flag cake. Soft watercolor buttercream affecting your country flag colors with star highlights, modern and aesthetic design. Which cake design was your favorite for your next Independence Day celebration? Let us know in the comment and like, share, and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more daily cake ideas and festive themes. Celebrate your next Independence Day by choosing one of the idea you like the most from this video and bake that cake or made that cake from the person who love baking, and with a slice of sweetness, a whole lot of pride. Happy Independence Day in advance for your next coming Independence Day. Independence means freedom, and you enjoy freedom with a cake. Love you all. Goodbye.